welcome to my bathroom. I figured we'd do a little get unready with me while I discuss day 3 of 75 hard. It has not been at all what I expect, so without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so let's set the camera down. Get the face track on. Okay. So, 75 hard has been difficult to say the least. It's been like, there are just a few things that I did not expect that I probably should have expected going into it. Because, I mean, everybody talks about it. And you just think like, oh, my 75 hard will be different or whatever. But actually, it's not. The people aren't lying. So, I'm a very fly by the seat of your pants kind of gal. I like spontaneity. I like surprises. I like, not really being held to a structure, which is like opposite of 75 hard. In fact, it's so opposite that if I don't schedule like every single hour of my day, then my entire day is pretty much messed up from the get-go. Which, that kind of sucks. But, anyway, let me get my phone so I can grab my notes. Let's see here. Because I made a bunch of notes for this. So, you have to plan your day and you have to stick to it. That's my second note, which just shows like how important it really is. Like, you have to plan your day, you have to stick to it, because if you don't, then you're just like, it's not going to work out for you. For instance, I took an afternoon nap. Just like I told myself, I was like, oh, I'll take a small, like, 30-minute nap. Whatever. No biggie. And it completely threw my day off. Because I didn't take a 30-minute nap. No, your girl took like an hour-long nap. And that right there is missing like an hour of things that you could be doing for 75 hard. So that happened. The next thing that I wanted to touch on is I missed my outdoor workout today, but it's not because of the simple like, oh, it was raining or whatever, I just didn't want to go out in the rain. No. Okay, first it started off with like horrible winds and tornadoes. Okay? And then that got into rain that was literally going sideways. And then that turned into snow. So I have like 3 reasons why I didn't do my outdoor workout. But what we're going to do is we're going to just add an extra day onto our 75 hard. And at the end, we're just going to add an extra outdoor workout. And it'll be fine. It's kind of like missing fasts and like making them up. Like, you're just gonna, make up your 75 hard. That's how I see it anyway. That's how I choose to see it. Could be wrong. Probably is. But, you know what? I don't think Andy Frizella is gonna come through the YouTube and exactly like yell at me or whatever. I think he's the founder of 75 Hard. He could not be. That could just be a random name that I've heard of going around, but I think he's like the 75 Hard founder. So anyway. Also, because of my ankle, I'm really thinking of joining my local swim center and swimming just like every single day for my outdoor or indoor workout, because I used to love to swim, and I didn't do that anymore because obviously like I don't have a place with a pool, and like I love swimming. Like it's so calming, it's relaxing once you get used to the water, like it's great. And you know, I love it, and it's nice. It burns a lot of calories, but it doesn't feel like it, at least until you get hungry afterwards. So yeah, like, by the way, this is coming straight out of my skincare fridge, and it's so cold, and it feels nice. Alright. By the way, my skincare routine, no one's ever asked me about it, but, I have gotten compliments on my skin before, just saying like, oh, you just have like the nicest skin, you know, like, and it makes me feel always super weird, like, say mashallah afterwards, you know, like, people will be like, oh, you know, you have like the nicest skin, you know, you don't have a wrinkle on you, and it's like, well, I never go out in the sun, ever. And they think I joke about it, but like I actually like never go out in the sun. So there's that. Back to it. I actually look forward to the reading in 75 Hard. Which is something that I thought that I wouldn't look forward to, because nonfiction, I would think of it and I would think like, oh, that's gonna put me to sleep. But it hasn't yet. And I know it's only day 3, but I actually love the reading, but I am starting to dread making daily vlogs like a thing. So I might switch to weekly, or at least like weekly check-ins with like a big milestone being like day 7, day 14, etc., etc. Let's see. Some of the last things that I mentioned on here are, I feel like as an introvert, doing anything extroverted should count towards my outdoor workout. You know, I'm kidding, but really, like, how do people find all those hours in a day? Because I don't. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, you know, I have stuff to do. Like, how do people find all these hours in the day to do, like, all this stuff? Like, I don't understand. And, like, yeah, it's a big part of it is just making time to do it, not sleeping in the middle of the day, but, it's managing your time, which I am terrible at. So this is more than a fitness challenge to me. This is a managing your time challenge. So we'll see how this goes. Another thing is, the most processed thing I've had so far was homemade granola that I made. So I already think that that is a win. The final lesson is that I need to plan my days better, or my days are going to end up just like planning me. Because that's the saying, you know, failure to plan is a plan to fail. And you know what? That's so true. Although, you know, like, I like to fly by the seat of my pants, I can't do that. Like, I just can't. I need to plan my days. Also, check out my shirt. It's from Ruya. I think it's Ruya 1995, 1996. I'll link it down below. I'm an affiliate for them, or an ambassador for them. If you like this kind of merch, it's got the, I thought this one had the Arabic dial, but I guess it doesn't. but it's got the words on the sleeves, and I really like that. Like now you can see. There we go. It's got the words on the sleeves. I really like that. Yeah, that's really all I have for today for this little like mini check-in thing. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it up and be like, day 3 was pretty much uneventful. But you know what? You can't erase today. You can only like go forward into tomorrow and do better. So we're gonna try that. We're gonna try to do better tomorrow. All right. Bye.